now hello everyone. We will talk about prime factorization methods. The first method is the tree method. We will take examples. Now let's take the first example. Let's take the number 30. 30 have the two factors. The two factors of 30, which we have to, if you multiply by each other, you will get 30. They are 10, and if you want to choose 10 and 3 or 5 and 6, the same. And the other number is 3. Now we need to find the prime factors. So 3 is a prime factor. 3 is a prime factor, but 10 is not a prime factor. So we have to factorize 10 more. Let's factorize 10 more to get the two numbers, which if you have to multiply these two numbers by each other, you will get 10. So 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 are prime numbers. So the prime, we finished the tree diagram or the tree method, and we get the prime factors for 30 are 3, 2 and 5. So I will write here the prime factors of 30 are, so we will make it larger, white, are equals 3, 2 and 5. So let's take another example. Let's try another number. Let's try 45, the number 45. So I will write here 45, and 45 is a multiplication of the two numbers 9 and 5. So here I will write 9 and the number 5. So let's order them. 5 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number. So we have to factorize 9 more. The two numbers that we can get from 9, which are prime, are 3 times 3. So I will write, or I will factorize 9 more. So here write 3, and again write another 3. So we finished getting the prime factors from the 45 number. 45 have the prime factors of 3, duplication, and 5. So we will write here the prime factors of 45 are 3, and 5. Okay, now let's try to take bigger numbers by using the tree method. A bigger number, I will try to take 228 number, and 228 have the two multiplication numbers 2 The first number is 2 and the second number is 114. So the multiplication or the two numbers which are factors of 228 are 2 and 114. 2 is a prime factor, but 114 is not a prime factor. We will factorize more. So factorize more 114 to get the number, the two numbers 2 and 57. So the two numbers which we have to multiply by each other to get 114 is 2 and 57. 2 is a prime number, but 57 is not a prime number. So we will factorize more. 57 is a multiplication between the two numbers 3 and 19. So I will write here number 3 and also the other number, which is 19, and these two numbers are prime factors. So we finished the tree method by the number 228, and to get the numbers, the prime numbers 2, 2, 3 and 19. So 228 equals 2 and 2 and 3 and 19 factors. Okay, now let's talk about the second method of a prime factorization, which is the division method. I will try to take the number 100. So 100, and I will use the division method in factorizing 100. 100 is a prime number and can divide by the number 2. So first 100 can divide by 2 to get the number 100 over 2 equals 50. So I will put 50 here as an answer. 50 is a prime number, 50 is an even number and can divide also by 2. 2. Now 50 over 2 equals 25. Here we will write 25. This is the answer. Now 25 can be divisible by the number 5. So I will write here 5. 25 over 5 equals 5. And we will make a line. This is the division method. 5 is a prime number, can divisible only by itself and by 1. So 5 is divided by the number 5. To get the answer 1. The last answer is 1. Okay. Now the prime factors of the number 100 are 2, 2, 5 and 5. Now let's try another example. Let's take the number 225 and by using the method, the division method. So again, the number 225 ends with 5, so divisible by 5, And 225, if you add the digits of this number, 2 plus 2, you will get 4. 4 plus 5 equals 9. When you add the digits and the answer is a multiples of the number 3, so this number is a divisible of the number 3, which is prime. So I can choose 5 or 3 as I want. So I will choose 3. Now we will make lines for the division. Take the number 3. Okay, now 225 over 3 give you 75. The answer is 75. So 75, I will put here. 75 can divide by 3 and by 5. So I will choose again 3. 3 here. 75 over 3 equals 25. So we will write here 25. 25 can divisible by only the number 5. So write 5. 25 over 5 equals 5. To get the answer 5. And 5 is a prime number, can divide only by itself. So again 5 over 5 to get the answer 1 here. So we finished the prime factorization of the number by using division method. We finished of this number 225. To get the numbers which are prime numbers 3, 3, 5 and 5.